Halo guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fauzia Revianto from semester 3. In this section, I will explain about morphology. Morphology. Apa sih morphology itu? Morphology is a part of linguistics. It is a study of words. There are some definitions of morphology based on some experts as follows. Menurut Geert Boch says, morphology, the study of the internal structure of words, deals with the forms of lexemes inflection and with the ways in which lexemes are formed word formation. New words are made on the basis of patterns of form meaning correspondence between existing words. Paradigmatic relationships between words are therefore essential, and morphology cannot be conceived of as the syntax of morphemes or syntax below the word level. Next. From the definitions above, we can conclude that morphology is a branch of linguistics that studies the word form, the forming process of word, and also its changing in forms, which creates the difference in function and meaning. The object of morphology is called morpheme. The object of phonology is sound. The object of phonemics is phoneme, and the object of syntax is sentence. First, morpheme. There are some definitions of morpheme based on experts. L. Bloomfield says in his book, Linguistics, form which bears no partial phonetic semantic resemblance to any other form is a simple form morpheme. Charles F. Hockett says that morphemes are the smallest individually meaningful elements in the utterance of a language. The Ramblan says, morpheme adalah bentuk yang paling kecil yang tidak mempunyai bentuk lain sebagai unsurnya. Or, morpheme is the smallest element which cannot be divided into any other forms. Next. 2. Word. Based on the Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, word is a sound or group of sound that expresses a meaning and forms an independent unit of a language. From the statement above, we can conclude that word is the smallest free element, or we can also say that every free element is a word. There are some criterions that can be used to identify a word. First, a word might consist of one free morpheme. For example, sick, sleep, fall, etc. These are called complex words. 2. A word might consist of one free morpheme and minimum one bound morpheme. For example, unlock, unreal, dismiss, etc. These are called complex words. 3. A word might consist of one bound morpheme or more with one more bound morpheme with it. For example, unbreakable, unfaithfully, etc. These are also called complex words. 4. A word might consist of one free morpheme and one free morpheme or one bound morpheme. For example, in bahasa we find the word matahari, hulu balang, syah bandar. These are called compound words. So, we can conclude that each basic form is morpheme, but not every morpheme can be classified as word and not all morphemes can be made into basic form. From the explanation given above, it is clear that morphology is the study of word forming which also distinguish a word from morpheme. For example, the word recheck or has two morphemes, re, which is bound morpheme, and check, which is free morpheme. Re is dependent morpheme and cannot stand alone if it is combined with other independent morpheme. So we can conclude that morphological process in the process of morphological which includes the affixation, prefixation, suffixation, infixation, circumfixation, modification, and reduplication. A morphological process is a means of changing a stem to adjust its meaning to fit its synthetic and communicational context. Prefixation. Prefixation is a morphological process whereby a bound morpheme is attached to the front of a root or stem. The kind of affix involved in this process is called a prefix. Example, English, the prefix "an" attached to the front of the stem selfish to form the word unselfish. An plus selfish, unselfish. Suffixation. Suffixation is a morphological process whereby a bound morpheme is attached to the end of a stem. The kind of affix involved in this process is called a suffix. Example, the past tense suffix is attached to the end of the stem walk to form the past tense verb walk. Infixation. Infixation is a morphological process whereby a bound morpheme attached within a root or stem. The kind of affix involved in this process is called an infix. Example, Philippines or Tagalog. The focus marker is an infix which is added after the first consonant of the root. Example, Billy wrote by. Bumili wrote bout. Okay, only that can I explain it. Thank you very much for your attention, please. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.